Welcome back mga soy! It's been a long time since I made my last vlog. But for today, what I'm gonna show you is a very special dish. This is one of my favorite. It's my comfort food and it's called Special Lugaw. It is a special lugaw because it has fried garlic, egg, and also pork cracklings. Try it soy, I'm sure you will like it. For my non-Filipino friends, lugaw is a chicken soup with sticky rice. Or in Asia, we call it sometimes congee. This is a congee with chicken, egg, and pork cracklings. Please try it. I'm sure you will like it. Enjoy! Soy, here are the ingredients for our special lugaw. We will start with our aromatics, which is garlic, ginger, onion, and then we have for the meat ingredients, chicken. This is 1 kilogram, 8 eggs, and then we go to the spices. We got salt, ground black pepper, and then we also have oil, fish sauce, and then our glutinous rice. For our garnishing, we'll have spring onion, fried garlic, and also pork cracklings. Let's begin! Let's start by turning your fire high flame. When it's warm, add the oil. That's about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna boil water in a kettle to cook my eggs. So, I'll start with my garlic when the oil is warm. This is about 1 garlic. Kaming mga Kapampangan, mahilig kami sa malasang pagkain. If you've noticed, we use a lot of garlic and onions and other spices. So what I want is when the garlic turns brown, so that we have a roasted garlic flavor. Once the garlic turns brown, I add the onions. Next, the ginger. And then I add the chicken thigh, which I cut into 2 pieces. To make the cooking time quicker, soy. And then I add a bit of salt. And then cover it to make the cooking time quicker. While waiting, I'm gonna cook my eggs now. So I have a boiling water here. I normally cook my eggs for 10 minutes. Then let's check the chicken. Okay, next, let's check the chicken. So once it turns brown and rendered some fats, I'm gonna add boiling water. And then cover it soy. From there on, I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes before I put the rice. So while waiting for the chicken to cook, chop my spring onions. After 7 to 10 minutes of cooking, I think the eggs are cooked now. So what I will do is, I will drain the hot water and then put cold water so that we can peel them easily. So after 10 minutes of cooking the chicken, I think it's a bit tender now. what we will do next is we're gonna add the glutinous rice. And then I'll add 3 cups of glutinous rice. Next, I'll add boiling water. So that's about 2 liters of boiling water. So in total, we've used 3 liters. Next, ground black pepper. A lot of ground black pepper, soy. And then, fish sauce. That's about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. To make it really savory, you got an option of adding 2 chicken cubes, or instead of boiling water, you add chicken stock. But for me, to make things quicker and savory, my choice is chicken powder. So I use about 2 teaspoons. Or as I've said, you can use chicken cubes. 2 chicken cubes. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is cooked. So while waiting for the rice to cook, I start filling my eggs. Sisoy, napakadali niyang balatan dahil binabad natin siya sa malamig na tubig. So after 10 minutes, let's check. So at this point, I'm gonna lower down the temperature to medium fire. So this is roughly after 10 minutes. At this point, I'm gonna add more water because I want my lugaw with a bit of soup. That's again another liter. At this point, you can also taste it and then try to adjust it to your taste preference. For me, this is perfect na soy. So after that, I'm gonna cook it for 5 more minutes so that the sticky rice will be cooked properly. Let's check soy. So look at the consistency. The rice is cooked now, but I think I want a bit more water. That's just probably 200 ml of water. As I've said earlier on, you can adjust it to your taste preference, but for me, this is okay. So what I'll do is, I'm gonna close it, and then turn it off, and leave it for 10 minutes. After a few minutes of resting, ready na to soy. Let's try it. Okay, let's plate it na soy. Look at that soy! Filipino comfort food at its finest. Yaman na soy! Okay, soy, let's try it now! Try to mix it and get all the components in one bite. What I like with this dish is the rich chicken flavor. paired up with the roasted garlic and then the hint and freshness of the spring onions, and also the different textures. So you have the crunchiness from the pork cracklings, the soft and silky flavor of the rice, and then of course your egg. This is a very simple and yet very delicious dish, mga soy. Please try it and let me know if you like it. Manya Manya Soy!